The new pontoon dock consists of deck, pontoons, telescopic hydraulic stamps in cylinder houses, and supports, in order to keep the vessel in a vertical position upon the keel block. The pontoons are elevated by hydraulic stamps and cylinders, whilst the deck is lowered. When the deck is lowered to the desired depth, the vessel enters the dock. The sideways supports will be placed onto the sides of the hull to ensure the vessel is placed and secured in the centre of the deck, resting upon the keel blocks. When the sideways supports are in position and the vessel is vertically secured, the pontoons are lowered and the deck, along with the vessel, will be elevated. The elevation of the vessel is a very rapid operation. There are no pumps, no tanks that need to be filled with water or drained. The deck and the vessel will be elevated at the same speed as the pontoons are lowered. There are very few components that require maintenance, which will ensure that the dock will perform without problems for many, many years to come. In addition, the dock has greater stability than an ordinary floating dock, as the floating elements are outside the deck instead of beneath, as in conventional floating docks. There is no wind catcher as on a conventional dock, and cranes can be mounted on the dock as required or desired. Normally, a vessel is unevenly loaded, forward and aft, due to the weight of engine and installed equipment, etc. Therefore, a minimum of 4 pontoons are placed alongside the deck for the purpose of trimming the dock and to keep the vessel in a perfect horizontal position during the operation of docking. Here is a graphical representation of the deck and illustrates its shape and shows how it transfers the offal from the hull end through gutters on either side of the deck. Inside the gutters, a propeller propels the offal to a tank on shore, where the offal will be dealt with, ensuring the protection of the surroundings and the environment, no parts of which will be rinsed and washed from the hull back into the sea. The dock can be made for any size and type of vessel, from the smallest fishing vessel up to vessels in excess of 150 to 200 metres in length, with a width of up to 35 metres and beyond, and lifting capacity from 9,000 to 12,000 tonne or more. It is ideally suited to fishing vessels and cargo vessels, 50 to 75 metres long, with lifting capacity of 2,500 tonne or more. The size of the pontoons and dimension of the deck will be made and adapted to the customised lifting capacity and size needs of the vessels that shall be maintained. For an offer of a new pontoon deck, please contact Pontoon Dock at 9950 Vardø, Norway. Please contact us either by phone or send us an email. Your request will have our utmost attention.